Okay guys, today we have a special two-parter for you. The most comprehensive list of rare special edition Fox Body Mustangs. So we're going to look at three things. We're going to look at their production numbers, just how rare are these special editions. We're going to look at what differentiated them in appearance and what differentiated them in performance. And then on the other side of this montage, I will give you some extras. The third generation Mustang was introduced in 1979. For race fans who didn't know what they were looking at driving around the track, Ford gave this car the most extreme graphics package ever placed on a Fox body. Huge orange letters spelled out Mustang across the hood. There was the running pony along the side. Another fun fact is only 3 track-used T-top cars were made. That feature was not offered to the public until 1981. From 79 to 81, Ford offered a Cobra Package. This was a carryover from the Mustang II's Cobra Package. And the hood graphic was Ford's response to Pontiac's giant Firebird. Some of these cars were offered with the same front bumper that was provided on the 79 Pace cars, and it's a pretty fun looking car. The storied SSP Mustang was designed to chase down Porsches. This is a light, very powerful car. Most of them ordered as coupes. They came with two-tone packages, custom wheels, and performance upgrades to help them go the distance in high-speed pursuit without overheating. The departments added their own graphics and light bars, and there's actually a couple honorary SSPs that were made from confiscated GTs guilty of street racing. So, very cool special edition. Ford's 82 GT Enduro was made for promotional purposes. This is the only factory-produced special edition featuring a wide-body kit. They used the McLaren one we'll learn about in the other video. They had custom wheels, custom graphics package, custom interior, a lot of flash on these cars. Very rare special edition. For the 20th anniversary of the Ford Mustang in 1984 and a half, Ford reintroduced the GT350 package. Now, performance-wise, this didn't stack up with the other GT350s, but appearance-wise, it's a really good-looking car with its custom paint, custom stripe package, and canyon red interior, offered with convertible, T-tops, and various engine packages. Ray can tell you more about these cars. From 84 to 86, Ford offered the SVO Special Edition Mustang package. This car featured a Turbo 4 and a lot of race-inspired performance enhancements. It's most notable for its exterior changes, the early introduction of the Aero front clip, the custom hood, custom spoiler, and 16-inch wheels. This car gets really high ratings in both flash and bang. The Twister II package was essentially an 85 GT, either red, white, or silver, mostly red, that got a custom created dealer-applied graphics package. I think there were only 90 of these produced in the Kansas City district. It's a throwback, callback to the 1970 Twister Special offered in that same area. For the 25th anniversary of the Ford Mustang, we did not get the Roush 351 twin turbo prototype. Most people only got the dash badge. However, the Carolina Ford dealers celebrated this occasion with a custom color combo on their on a 50LX and a special commemorative graphics package. Somewhere in the multiverse, the 25th Anniversary Mustang was rolled out as the 4th generation platform that looked a lot like the Ford Probe. Fortunately, in our universe, the Ford Probe never received Mustang badges due to a hate mail campaign by Mustang fanatics. Instead, the designers were sent back to the drawing board to develop the SN95, and the Fox body stuck around for 4 more years as sales declined. To boost interest, many special editions were released between 90 and 93. One of the special editions from 90 to 93 was the 7-Up edition. Now, this was originally designed for promotion during the NCAA basketball tournament. They were going to give these away, but that deal with 7-Up fell through. Instead, it was packaged and sold to the general public with the GT wheels and the green body. Now, if anyone knows, please leave in the comments. I have a picture of a 7-Up Celine. Is that legit? Let me know. In 92, Ford introduced the Summer Edition Mustang, which was a red LX with white ponies, a white top, a custom white and black interior, and on the deck lid instead of a luggage rack, this convertible got a special spoiler. So these are really pretty cars. Some people call them the Santa Edition Mustang, and these were again introduced to help boost sales of the LX. The 93 feature car is also a special edition LX. It was a convertible with either a white top on the triple white feature car or a black top with chrome ponies on the yellow feature car. Both featured custom interiors, no extra bang, no extra horsepower in this special edition, but still a really pretty car. Last but not least, what's considered by many to be the holy grail of Fox bodies is the 93 Cobra and Cobra R. These were beautiful cars. They were body kits inspired by the 89 Roush prototype, the SAAC Mustang, custom 17-inch wheels. Also featured the return of the pony to the grill. We have a custom spoiler, extra horsepower under the hood, and some other goodies. This Cobra R came with LX seats. They assumed racers would just swap out for what they wanted. No fog lights and special wheels. All right, so if you disagree with our flash or bang rankings, then leave it in the comments. Basically, a 1 was these items are available on the lower trim levels. A 5 means they threw the kitchen sink at it. They did extra body work, they did custom wheels, they did a custom interior, they put a graphics package on it, and went crazy with the exterior. So bang, same thing. 1, those items were available on the lower trim levels. 5 means they threw the kitchen sink at it. They upgraded the brakes, they upgraded the suspension, they upgraded the chassis, they gave it more power, and went crazy with it. We appreciate the Fox body community and the resources online that have made this video possible. Foxstang.com and MustangSpecs.com are 2 amazing sites with lots of detail on these special edition factory cars and some of the tuner cars too. We also had to stretch out to fill in the gaps to the auction sites like Bring a Trailer and Meekum.com. Anyway, we really appreciate the community and the resources that made this video possible. All right, let's thank the sponsor of today's video. It's the FOMO Bros merch store from Teespring, and in it we have our parody logo collection with the FOMO Co. It's FOMO Bros. We have the running unicorn, the running Pegasus, the running hippogriff, and the running centaur. So check those out. Got some new designs always being added.